Lucy.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
What we should draw today?
Maybe we should do a challenge. I love drawing challenges.
Sounds like a good idea. Let's take a challenge today. We draw a small animal in 1 minute. Look at this paper. We could put several on it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
But if you can draw it smaller, you could put like 6 or how many ever you want.
Let's begin.
Let's begin, guys.
You ready?
Yeah.
You could see I already prepared several oval shapes on the paper. So each one is the same size, right?
Yep.
So now we're gonna set the time first. So each one we spend 1 minute, right?
And you're gonna click start when you're ready.
So you ready?
Yep. Let's begin, guys.
Okay, so you draw in your mind first and then put on the paper. Okay, 3, 2, 1, set it. Okay, go. I'm gonna just use pencil first. Let me think about that. The first one, I want to draw, maybe I draw a little doggy. I'm gonna put a big nose here. Then the cute eye. I'll put a little bit. And his cute mouth. Cute ear. Oh, looks like a little, like rabbit, right? Is it like rabbit? Okay. Is it the time? Oh!
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Time is up.
Oh, already 1 minute. Okay. I already decided this one, but I only use pencil.
Maybe we should do every 1 minute when we do
Decide,
the pencil.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we use the marker, okay?
Yeah.
Use marker.
Okay, we're starting.
So you're already done, right? You're already done. So we're gonna do this part first. And the next this side, we set another time, okay?
Okay.
So the quick this side, just like improve your design skill. This little ear, just like a little rabbit. Okay. So you want to do the next one?
Sure.
I mean, we design all first and then coloring. Okay?
Oh.
Okay, so next one. Okay. You ready? Let me think about it. The next one, I probably draw a little fox. Okay. You set the time?
Yep.
Okay. The foxy. Let me think about that. The foxy. Okay. I'm gonna put the nose here. Foxy nose. And then, okay, the cheek. Oh, here, the face part. This. Let me think about that. And then, eyes should be like this. The fox ear. This. Oh, 14, 13. Almost done. Oh, yeah. We're done with this. Dun, 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 dun. Ding! That's another 1 minute. We're already done. Okay, I'm gonna use marker. Look at my fox. The eyes like that. It's so cute, right? Okay, so now set the time. We decide the third one. Let me think about that. Give me 1 minute. 1, 2. Maybe I do the panda. Okay, let's go.
Oh, oops. I forgot to put on the minute.
Okay. I'm gonna do this one. Panda. Let me see. The nose should be here. The panda eyes. Gotta be here. The panda ear just like beard. Like beard ear. Oh, I'm done. The time. Are you done?
No.
Almost, right? Okay. So now I'm using marker. Oh, you're already done using marker. Pen.
Well, now I'm done.
You're fast.
The dog's leash says good boy.
Okay, panda. Okay, the last one. Are you ready to set the time? Oh, let me think about that. The last one. I draw. What should I draw? Okay. The crab.
Somehow, many have come to believe.
I put the eyes on the top. The happy smile. How many legs? How many legs the crabs have? Crab. I think 6, right? 8.
3.
Oh, I'm done! Yay! Now using marker. Try my best to draw a circle. You done? Whoa, you fast.
Well, mine's very simple and cute.
Yeah, I'm done. Okay, so now start the coloring.
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
We're done.
Yeah, guys, it really improved our art. And as you look closely, it says chicken, pig, panda, and dog. And it writes good boy on the leash.
And mine's dog and fox and panda and crab. I really love that. Oh my goodness. You should try.
Yeah, I think both of ours are really cute. It looks like he's going, shh, wait, don't pigs snort.
Thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye guys, see you next time. Give thumbs up.
Thank you. Bye.